A very powerful tool in Toon Boom products is the ability to use drawing substitutions. This comes in handy definitely when you're working with limited animation and even sometimes traditional animation. So what I'm going to do for this quick tutorial is I want to show you, we're going to have our eyes here, and I'm going to draw 2 extra frames so we can do a blink, and then I'm going to show you how to pull those different frames back and forth from the timeline. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to simply select the second frame. I'm going to turn on my onion skin so I can see what's going on. And I'll select my pencil tool. And I'll just come in and I'll draw these eyes out just a little bit squished down from where they were. And the lid's a little bit lower. And then I'm going to select the third frame, and I'm going to draw them even more squished down. And it's going to make these a little bit flatter. And I'll make it like the eyes are closed. I'm going to turn off my onion skin, and I'm going to scrub the playhead back and forth. So there is the eye blink. Now if you look over here next to our library, we have the drawing substitutions, and as I scrub back and forth, you can see I'm calling on those different frames. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to extend these frames. Simply right click and extend exposure. So right now it closes the eyes and just stays there. But I can select my second frame, and I'll go to our drawing substitutions, and I'll drag this so it's showing frame 1. And I'll select the third frame where we drew it closed, and I'll drag this also to frame 1. So now we have 60 frames of just frame 1. To use the drawing substitutions, I'll select frame 20 or any frame you'd like, and I can go to my drawing substitution, set that to frame 2. I'll move a frame later, set it to frame 3, and I'll skip 2 frames here, bring it back to 2, and then we'll bring this back to 1. Now, we haven't set any keyframes, but if you look at the timeline, we have these little lines that are here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. These lines are showing exactly where we've done a drawing substitution. So now if I play this, we have a blink. I'll just set the loop. And that's how you can use drawing substitutions. And at any given time, you can still go in and tweak and change some of the characteristics of the drawings. I think if you think the eye here might be a little bit off, we can simply move that over a bit. All right. Now, drawing substitutions are also used in lip sync. They can be used when you're swapping out hands for a character or arms or even something for a walk cycle. The advantages of using drawing substitutions is it does save a lot of time and you don't have to keep redrawing elements once you've created them.